I think I heard the mailman, and I'm gonna go outside and get my case of sunshine. It's here, but you need a knife, and Mommy will break it. It is here! Mom, look! It is here! Look! Look, Mom! It is here! Yeah! I know how to unbox. Look! I really wasn't waiting for this. You open it for me. She's pink.
And I'm so excited. I don't know how many kittens she has.
I'm so excited. I don't know how many kittens she has.
How many do you think she has?
4 or 5.
4 or 5. That's cool.
They should have 5 kittens.
Okay, it says Mommy is having kittens. Guess how many kittens? 3, 4, 5. It says Sunshine and her kittens. Summer twins.
She has 5.
And how many are girls and how many are boys?
I don't know.
You don't know? It's only at Toys R Us. Okay, you want to turn around and show everybody the back of it? Show everybody the back.
It says 8 to 12, so you can get maple, snow, and this one is sunshine. And in the back it says a little bit of our kitty mom sunshine. I love to take my kids to the park, and I love to see my pink white coat.
Wow. Turn it around again. Turn it around. It says, surprise kitties. How many kitties will Mommy have? Find out how many kittens Mommy has when you open Mommy's pouch and reach inside. So you ready to open it?
Yeah! I'm so excited. Help.
A little help from Mommy.
Yeah. Mommy's opening the package. And here's the package open, and I'm going to open it now. I'm not opening it the right way. So. This box is a little tight.
Ничего не микро. Давай, помогу.
Can I get it first? No, I'll help Pam, okay? I'll like take sunshine out, okay? Here's sunshine. Let me show you. This really good with. Open.
Can I see?
Why can't you cut that off? She's really furry. Need some scissors. Scissors can help you. No, right here, right here.
Always have Mommy help you with the scissors.
Yeah. Make it click the lock. Okay, let's open it up. Wow, look! A boy! Daddy, look! It looks like you! Daddy, doesn't it look like you? Doesn't it look like Daddy?
It looks just like Daddy.
Yeah, it looks
Are there more in there, Scarlett? Are there more?
A girl!
Did she have a girl? Did she have a girl?
Oh, it's a sleeping kitty.
It's sleeping?
Oh. There's one. That's two. Here's three. Oh.
Is it 4?
Are there any more? Is that it?
Well, 4's a lot. Wow, you got 4. Scarlett, you got 4. Are you happy you got 4?
Oh, when? No more kids. I bet they had twins. They had twins. In the video, they had twins.
Maybe the next one you'll have twins, honey bun.
Okay.
Do you want to show everybody your cats? Show them the kittens. Put the kittens in a row.
I really want. How do you close this cat? Or do you just leave it like
Just
this?
like that.
But I want close.
She's really lucky mommy.
Ah.
She has 3 girls. So she's really lucky mommy.
She's a really lucky mommy. All these cute cats are adorable. Look at them.
How many boys they have?
One.
So they have 1 boy.
They have 1 boy and 3 girls.
Oh.
See? How they look? Aren't they adorable?
Do you want to show how they kiss mommy and mommy they will kiss them?
The cats only lick. They can only lick by kissing. This is how they kiss cats. Look, Mommy. You can see this one's crying. One is right there. Look, one is crying over her. She feels a lot more lighter about those 5 kittens. About those 4 kittens. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Do you think she's happy now she's got her kitties?
Mm-hmm.
Can you show how happy she is?
She has a happy face and her tongue sticks out. And she has a hard head. And she's really furry and soft. I bet you want to get one. These are Kitty Surprise.